The last chapter of this book is sort of a review, but it asks you to examine yourself and look for these things. As we talked about in an earlier chapter, you should apply your moral reasoning everywhere you go. Whatever you do in life, you should apply it to it. And just for review, here's a good definition for you. And here's a good way to look at principles. We end this class the same way we began it, talking about Coach Brown. The question, now that our class has come to an end, how do you feel about him? Do you still feel the same way you did? Or has your views changed in light of the things that we've talked about over the last month?